Welcome to another video on Form Director. Today, we'll explore how to add guests to a Google Calendar event upon approval. So, let's dive in. Streamlining webinar registration. Meet Sarah, a driven professional with a passion for organizing seamless webinars. With countless registrations, Sarah must validate each valid reason and proof from registrants, providing approval before sending invite emails for her webinars. She needs a solution that streamlines the process and ensures smooth approval and rejection. Tool for automating approval. With the Form Director approval feature, you can automate these tasks and send approval and rejection emails promptly. This streamlines communication, tracks approvals and rejections, and ensures that services are executed according to established standards and strategic considerations. Demonstration. We have a Google form for webinar registration with questions to gauge interest. Based on responses, we'll approve or reject participants and send notification emails. We can use Form Director to automate this task. When this Google form is submitted, we will receive an email with the questionnaire answers from the form submitter and can then decide either to approve or reject the submission. Let's configure it. I selected Google Calendar as the app and named the service Webinar Registration. Then, I selected the service to add guests to the event. I already have an event created in my Google Calendar, and I am configuring this service to add registrants to that event. Next, we will open the mapping dialog and map the email ID to populate in the guest field for the event. Now we have enabled the approval required feature of Form Director. To ensure the smooth operation of our process, it's essential to authorize the approval. This allows Form Director to execute the service promptly, adding registrants to the cybersecurity webinar and sending an email once the approval or rejection is finalized. In the event of rejection, only a rejection email will be sent to the form submitter. Once authorized, it is necessary to set the requester's email and name, designate who will receive the approval request, and specify who will receive an email notification once the request is approved or rejected. We missed setting up the emails for approval and rejection. To rectify this, we need to reopen the service, navigate to the approval settings, click on the email notification icon, and configure the email notification template. Now that the service configuration is complete, save the service. To demonstrate, we are now submitting the form. Once we submit the form, the approver will receive an email to approve or reject. After form submission, the approver will receive an email to decide whether to approve or reject. Once approved, the service execution, using the email ID provided in the form submission, will be added to the webinar, and an email will also be sent to that address. If rejected, a rejection email will be sent. Once approved, a confirmation email will be received by the form submitter. By using Form Director, you can automate the approval and rejection processes, execute tasks, send emails, etc. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching us out.